Namaste students, myself Dr. Swati KS, Assistant Professor of Department of Prashasana and Bhaishya Kalpana, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So today I'll deal regarding the topic of the Rasakriya Kalpana. So coming to the definition, Vatadina Punah Pakat Ghanatvam Sa Rasakriyaha. The reference from the Sharangadhara Madhyama Khanda. So according to Acharya Sharangadhara, he has mentioned that uh, any liquid preparation that is like Vata, Swarasa, Fanta, etc., if boiled and reduced over a mild fire to a thicker consistency, then the thicker drug mass what is obtained is called as the Rasakriya. According to Acharya Yadavji Trikamji, mentioned that the Rasakriya is that process of reducing the Swarasa, Kvata, etc. liquid preparations to get a solid mass. So he also explained three stages of preparation of Rasakriya. They are like when the Rasakriya it comes to a form of thicker liquid, it is called as Panita Kriti. So if it comes in the form of semi-solid substance, it is called as Avaleha. So if the Rasakriya it is solidified, or if the gutika can be prepared out of it, so it is called as a khana. So coming to the general method of preparation, according to Dhallana, the commentator of Shushruta Samhita, he mentioned that रसक्रियाः फाणिताकृतेः काकवी इति लोके रसक्रिया कल्पना चेयं द्रव्यापेक्षया अष्टगुणं षोडशगुणं वचलं दत्त्वा अष्टभागावशेषाः षोडशभागावशेषो क्वातः कार्यः तदभूतं कषायं पुनस्तावत् पचेत् यावत् फाणिता कृतिः. So, Rasakriya is compared with Fanita and it is also called as Kakavi. So, to prepare this Rasakriya, so one part of the drug and either 8 or 16 parts of the jala is added and then boiled over a mild fire mandakni until 1 by 8 part or the 1 by 16 part of the liquid is remains. So later it is then filtered through a clean cotton cloth and then the filter is further boiled and reduced to a thicker consistency as that of Vanita, and which will help the consistency of honey, which will have the consistency of the honey, and to get it in the form of Ghanasara, Ghanasatva, or Ghanavati, so it is further reduced to a stage where the material becomes thick, sticky mass, and that mass is again rolled into pills of desired size. So the test for the perfection. So the reduced drug material should attain the pill shape if rolled between the fingers, and if it is rediluted with the water and should not bring down its potency. So these are the tests for the perfection. Yes. So in Pura Karma, what we have to do is the drug for which the ghana is to be prepared, it should be taken and then washed well with water and then allowed to dry. So the basic formulation, what is mentioned, like any Swarasa, Kwada, etc., are prepared from the raw drugs as per the classical references, and then it should be filtered through a clean cloth. So in Pradhana Karma, the prepared ghana is rolled into vati form once it gets self-cooled, and the softness and slight stickiness of the drug help in the easy rolling of the pills. Going through the method of the Ghana Kalpana, it is noticed that at first water-soluble contents from the drugs are extracted through the hot process, and then thereafter the water portion from the solvent it will get evaporated to get a solid extract. Nowadays, like water bath, electric dryers, and any other ultra sophisticated instruments are used for this purpose. Next, extracts. What extract means? A concentrated preparation of a vegetable or an animal drug obtained by removing the active constituents from them with a suitable menstruum. So evaporating all, all or nearly all the solvents and then adjusting the residual mass or a powder to a prescribed standard. So what are the practical points is like continuous stirring should be done throughout the procedure, but because otherwise it may get charred or burn, it may happen at the base. So continuous stirring should be done, and the end product will be very much sticky, and one needs to apply the gritha to the fingers while rolling the pills. So the prepared pills are dried in the shade. Dosage and shelf life. Dose is like 1 pal according to Acharya Sharangadhara and 1 kashat according to Yadavji Trikamji. Severity is 1 year and they should be stored in dry and airtight containers. Examples: Guduchi Ghana. Ingredients: Guduchi 1 part and Chala 8 parts. Method of preparation is: Guduchi stem should be cut into pieces and then crushed in Khalva yantra, and it is transferred to a big vessel and 8 parts of Chala is added to it. Later it is boiled over Madhyamagni and reduced to 1/4 part. The reduced liquid is filtered through a clean cotton cloth and transported to another vessel, and the filtrate is boiled further and brought to thicker consistency and then rolled into pills. The dose is 1 to 2 pills along with the water or any other liquid preparation indication in Jwara. So Guduchi Khana is also called as the Shamshamani Patti. Next, Dharvarita Rasakriya. This reference from the Bhavaprakasha Haritakyadi Varga. Dharvikvata samam kshiram padam pakvam yada ghanam tada rasanjana niyam tan nitrayo paramam hitam. So ingredients: Dharvaritra 1 part, water 8 parts, and cow's milk 2 parts. So method of preparation: initially Dharvaritra should be crushed in Khalva and taken in a big vessel, and to that 8 parts of water is added, and the mixture is boiled over the Madhyamagni and reduced to 1/4 part, and then after that the reduced liquid is filtered through clean cotton cloth and transferred to another vessel. The filtrate is boiled further along with the equal quantity of the cow's milk and brought to a thicker consistency. When the mixture attains desired consistency of rolling the wicks, so the wicks or the worthy of desired size is prepared, and it should be dried in shade and then preserved and stored in the airtight containers. So uses in all types of the eye disease, and the wicks are rubbed with a drop of water over the clean surface and used as a unguent. Next, Babula Rasakriya, the reference from Sharangadhara Uttarakhanda, 13th chapter. Um, Ingredients: Babulapatra 1 part and water 8 parts. Method of preparation: Babulapatra is collected, cleaned, and crushed in Khalva and the drug is later taken in a bigger vessel, added along with the 8 parts of water, and the mixture is boiled over the Madhyamagni and reduced to 1/4 part, and the reduced liquid is filtered once to a clean cotton cloth and transferred to another vessel, and the filtrate is boiled further and brought to thicker consistency, and wicks or the worthy of desired shape or size are prepared and dried in shade and preserved in airtight containers. Uses used with madhu for anjana in case of the netra srava. Next, phanita. It is a semi-solid preparation prepared by reducing the ikshurasa to a thicker consistency, less thicker than avaleha as that of the madhu. So method of preparation: sugarcane juice is sieved through a clean cloth and into a clean vessel and heated over a mild fire until it attains the consistency as that of the honey, and it is stored in airtight glass containers, and karma is uses it is Guru, Abhishandi, Brahmaka, Pushya, and Shramahara. And the dose is 1 pala and Saviryata Avadhi is 1 year. So this is regarding the topic of the Rasakriya. So if you have any queries, please to comment down so I'll resolve it. Thank you. Chalepa.